to create the next of this wonderful industry that have provided us with so much. Wherever we may go, I assure you, those leaders, those distributors who will stick with me, those leaders who will stick with AGG, I tell you, kasama nyo kami hanggang dulo. Saan man parating yung barkong to, kasama nyo kami till the end of this journey. With your humongous dreams and ambitions, same goes with the ambitions of the company. Not only to fill this event space with successful people, with lives changed for the better, with people who are earning so much, making a difference, not only in this space, but in other field, we're more than willing to support you. Marami pa po tayong pagsasamahan. Guys, if you still believe my capacity to lead, I welcome you to the next AGG. If you still believe in my capacity to transform each and everyone into their next level entrepreneurship journey, marami pa tayong pagsasamahan. We're just starting. Kung alam nyo lang yung mga kinakausap kong grupo, kung alam nyo lang yung mga bubuksan pa natin mga divisions at ecosystem that we will develop, I tell you, this will shake the industry so much. And I tell you as early as today, si Albert, special mention Albert, within the next coming weeks, other than that, Albert, yayanig ang buong industriya. People will tell you, you staying with AGG will be your best decision ever. And of course, all of us in this journey, for the past 20 years, you have made so many business decisions. Whether to do this, do that, promote this, promote that, mentor this, mentor that, online, offline, EC, OBI, Alpha East, whatever. So many decisions. Personal decisions, business decisions. You made all of those things and still thrive. We respect each and every decision that you have made. Nire-respeto namin yan. So whatever the decision you have made for over the past few years, let's respect those decisions. Because when you build network, respect is earned. When you build credibility, it's not shoveled up to your throat. It's earned. So we are here to stay and we're here to build network for the long haul. Hindi lang mabilisan, but network that will thrive through thick and thin and through the years. So I tell you, if somebody will say, apply, nahihirapan na ako, baka gusto kong lumipat, let them be. But if there be leaders going back to you, let them be and celebrate it. For once, maybe ang kailangan lang nila mag-mature. There are leaders talking to me saying, Doc, ba't nung umalis ako, hindi mo ako pinigilan? Sabi ko, simple lang. I want you to experience something na wala sa AGG. Baka pag na-experience mo yun, mamiss mo ko. Baka pag na-experience mo yun, you can see the difference. Ang hirap pala dito, Doc. Ba't ba ako umalis? And when you go back, you would appreciate, oh, ganito pala kasarap ang AGG culture. So I've been hearing those kind of questions for those people who have been communicating with me for the past few nights and mornings, especially when they hear that we're launching a new product, we're launching new countries, we're launching faster system, faster payout. They're saying, aba, hindi ba pala huli ang lahat? Madami pang opportunities to excel. Let's respect their decision. Personal and business. That's what I've been through for the past 20 years as well. I've made personal decisions, I made business decisions, and here am I right now. I'm in one of my best versions ever. I eat once a day, I exercise, I meditate, I sleep 7 to 8 hours, not only for myself, but for me to sustain the health, the nutrients that I need so I could sustain the businesses that I have. Not only for me, but for each and every one of you. So guys,